Hey guys, this is part 2 of Lego Pirates of the Caribbean unboxing. And okay, let's continue. As I was saying, search up John Rhythm on YouTube. So search him up. He has really good music. The song I listened to last night was Love and Tragedy. It's a pretty good song. So yeah. Got to give this guy his gun. Okay, where was I? Let me check. Okay, back to my globe. I have to put this here. That. And one more. Wait, no. Okay. There's what I got so far. And now time for my globe. Time to open this. Wait. If you think I should do a video with Lurbin, post a comment in the comment box below if you think I should or I think I should not. Lurbin is the actual owner of this. He's my older cousin. He shares this account with me. He mostly does gaming videos. I don't like to do gaming videos. Okay. I think some pieces. Okay. Back. So I don't got this. Princess, like a princess. Okay, get the globe done. And now for the bottle holder. Which is like this. Okay. Need this. Okay. Need that. That. Whatever. The cone pieces. This piece to go like that. So this. And then you need 2 of these. Oops. Check that. Stick them under the ramp things. So it's like this. Two studs each side. And then here's one. You put it and you get 2 white pieces and put them. Get a glass piece. This with a new piece like that. So it's like this. Oops. It's like this. And then you can connect it onto these. So it's like that. And there's more pieces. Okay. 4 telescope things. That's how it looks like so far. And then another shelf. Like this, and then same thing, the 2 studs with the same piece in the middle. And we do the same thing. What? Just wait, I have to check on my system. Wait, what? What are you looking for?
There!
Okay, close the door behind you. Okay, my sister just came in to get something. So it's like this. You add 4 more telescope things and a shelf again. So it's like this. If you want me to, I might be doing a, Lego Mario, how to build Lego Bowser Jr. and other Koopa kids, because my brother is like amazing. He didn't get any instructions, he made them on his own. And they're really good. But you'll need a lot of blocks, no like human pieces. So if you want me to do that, post a comment in the comment box telling you want me to do that. I might be doing that. Okay. This piece and this piece go back here. 2 grabber pieces. 2 cone shapes up here. 2 bones like this. A piece like this. A piece like this. A piece like this. You add a bone. A head. And 2 bottles. It's the last bottle. Okay, this is my set. Get your guy here, this guy here. Globe, table, Jack Sparrow, and a few spare pieces. Hey, I got a spare compass and a spare sword. So you probably could make another pirate and a bunch of other random pieces. So yeah, that's it. So comment, rate, and subscribe. And like this video. And bye.